Amending your topsoil is a super important step you gotta take if you're growing dahlias in the same place year over year. So one thing I do is I get horse manure from a neighboring farm, and he loads me up with a couple yards of manure, and I just spread it evenly throughout the rows. I put about 1 wheelbarrow in each row, maybe a little more, and then I take a compost and I just pile it right on top of the manure. So today I've got the manure, later I'm gonna do the compost. Now that I've piled out all the manure, I'm just gonna spread it around the rows with the rake. Now that I've got my manure all in my rows, I'm just gonna go through and rake it on top of the surface, evenly like that. But before I do, I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna take out all the big sticks just so I'm not burying them, because I don't think they're gonna decompose in like 5 weeks. So stuff like this, I'm just tossing into the middle of the row, and I'm just gonna go through before I rake out all of the manure, and I'm gonna remove all those chunks, then I'll rake it. All of these little sticks might still have eggs of insects and beneficial pollinators, so I'm just gonna throw these into the other garden and let them live out their cycle.